75 new COVID-19 cases reported in Karnataka, taking the total tally to 2,493. 1,635 people continue to receive treatment and 809 of them have been discharged. Death toll due to COVID-19 stands at 47. Maharashtra link continues to haunt Karnataka. 46 people out of 75 people who have tested positive for COVID-19 have a travel history to the neighboring state. Bright side of recovery for Karnataka. 28 people have been discharged from various districts. 9 in Yadgir, 8 in Davanagere, 4 in Vijaypura, 3 in Dakshina Kannada, 2 in Belagavi, 1 each in Mysore and Bagalkot have been discharged. 6,566 COVID-19 cases and 194 deaths reported in the last 24 hours in India. 1,58,333 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in the country. 86,110 active cases and 67,691 people have been discharged. 4,531 people have succumbed to the deadly virus in the country. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa will hold a meeting with his cabinet members at 4 p.m. today. The Chief Minister is likely to discuss about COVID-19. The meeting has been called to take a decision on Lockdown 5.0 and also hold a discussion regarding SLC and PUC examinations. Today is the last day for SLC students to change their examination centers. The Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board permitted students to change their examination centers as most of them have traveled to their native place because of COVID-19. Students can visit the board website and change their examination centers before midnight. After attacking crops in Madhya Pradesh, swarms of locusts have reached Jhansi and several other districts of Uttar Pradesh. High alert has been issued and district administration have also deployed fire brigade vehicles loaded with pesticides. IMD confirms that heat wave will lash Delhi NCR till May end. A severe heat wave will be seen due to dry and northwesterly winds prevailing over northwest India and Delhi NCR. Thunderstorms accompanied by strong gusty winds likely to occur on 29th and 30th of May over the Delhi NCR region. ICC board meeting today to take place shortly regarding election of new chairman. ICC added that the existing chair confirmed that he was not seeking any extension to his term but would support the board to ensure a smooth transition. The Indian rupee is witnessing wild movement. The rupee opened for trade at 75 rupees 90 paise against US dollar. Against Wednesday's close of 75 rupees 72 paise, the rupee's wild movement is linked to the ongoing US-China face-off hitting many currencies including those in Asia.